Welcome back to MotoVision. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury and innovation, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre. This is Rolls-Royce's first all-electric ultra-luxury coupe, blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of prestige, performance, and opulence, then stick around as we break down every stunning detail of this masterpiece. Let's get started. The front of the Spectre is nothing short of breathtaking. It features the iconic Pantheon grille, now illuminated for a futuristic touch. The sleek, split headlight design gives it an ultra-modern appearance, while the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament has been aerodynamically redesigned to enhance efficiency. The long, sculpted hood adds to its commanding presence, making it instantly recognizable on the road.
Step inside, and you're greeted with unparalleled craftsmanship. The front seats are wrapped in the finest leather, offering supreme comfort with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The steering wheel is elegantly designed, featuring premium materials and advanced controls. The dashboard is a work of art, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, the Starlight Illuminated Fascia, and a Spirit infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with Rolls-Royce's bespoke digital features. Luxury doesn't stop at the front, the rear seats offer a first-class experience. The Spectre is designed as a luxury grand tourer, meaning rear passengers enjoy plush, hand-stitched seats, personalized ambient lighting, and a whisper-quiet cabin. High-end wood veneers, metal trims, and customizable upholstery elevate the experience, making every journey an indulgence.
Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre houses a fully electric powertrain. With 585 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque, this luxury EV glides from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Its advanced battery pack delivers a range of approximately 300 miles, ensuring a smooth and silent driving experience, true to the Rolls-Royce DNA.
Moving to the rear, the Spectre maintains its sleek and sculpted profile. The taillights feature a minimalist, elegant design, while the seamless curves and sweeping lines give it a dynamic yet graceful presence. The frameless coach doors add to the futuristic appeal, ensuring a grand entrance every time. Rolls-Royce has perfected aerodynamics, making this one of the most refined coupes ever built.
Luxury like this comes at a price. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre starts at around $420,000, with customization options easily pushing it beyond $500,000. But for those who demand the best in luxury, performance, and exclusivity, it's worth every penny. And that wraps up our look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre, a true symbol of modern luxury and electric excellence. What do you think about this stunning EV? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MotoVision for more high-end car reviews. Until next time, drive in style and stay legendary.